channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be replacing the pollen filter in a Vauxhall Corsa D. This is actually a Bosch one, as you can see. If you're interested in number what's on it, there you go. That's actually what it looks like, as it should. You do bear in mind is when you change these, you must make sure as that when you stick it in, as that the arrows are pointing towards the back of the car or in the car, may I say, like that. So as you stick it in like that, so the air is actually blowing in like that. And all you have to do, it is a bit tight, so bear in mind, is if you come to this location here under the passenger footwell, you'll actually see this black plastic strip just here. Now generally you have a screw which is just in here, but obviously ours is missing. And all you'll do, you'll remove that T screw. It's a T20 or 25 Torx, and then once you move that, you'll have a little tab underneath just here, as you can see, just there. You can pull that down as well, so pull it, just be very gentle because it's fragile. So as you pull it down, you can just pull it like that as well. So if we just get up in here, there's your filter just there. As you can see, the date on this one, what we've replaced, someone's actually put the date on it, which was a generous of them, is the 5th of the 5th 19. Oh, let's just get in there. It is a bit awkward to film this as it's in a tight place. We do our best. There you go, just pull that out like that. As you can see, it's actually coming out now. Try and get the torch in a good place. That's what our filter looks like. As you can see, that was all the stuff what's just come out of it, all that. If you put that one there next to that one, you can actually see the difference. There's the difference. So move that one to one side, the dirty one. Bear in mind this is going to be awkward, like I says, because it is a tight place. And all you have to do is, if you can, get your new one. If you can, you've got to sort of slide it up there like that, and then slide it in, and it will actually go in. So once I put it in, I'll be back with you and show you. Right, I couldn't actually show you me getting it in because, as you can see, it's really tight in here. But what I can say is, if I show you on the old one, when I actually stuck it up like that to go in, I actually kind of got the top like that and sort of like pushed that down towards that a little bit like that. So as I went up, I've actually push the top end in first, squeeze some of it together, then put the bottom end in, then actually pushed it in like that. To actually show you me doing it, as you can see it's really tight here, so it'd be really difficult. All you have to do is with this black cover just there, that's what it looks like. That's the top, that's the bottom, and all this does is actually go, it's going to be dark up here so you ain't really going to see a lot. All you have to do is that goes up there, without with the torch was shining there like that. If I try and get the torch to shine on it for you, just don't want to play ball. Yeah, so that actually goes up there like that, and then clips on at the bottom like that. As you can see, this one clips it's just really tight in here to show you anything, to be fair. But yeah, that clips on at the top. As soon as it clips on at the top like that, you push the bottom end in. Yeah, there you go, the bottom end's actually gone in now, so that's actually in there like that. And you will actually have a screw what goes in there as well. I ain't actually got one on here, but it is, like I say, it's a T20, T25, something like that. For those of you, like I say, who are interested in the part number, there you go. It's actually a Bosch one, but it did need doing, as you could see. That's what we had come out of it. And to be fair, if you've got children in the car and stuff like that, you do want clean air and you do want it filtering as well. But there you go. So if this helped you out at all, please consider subscribing to the channel, give it a thumbs up, ring the notification bell for future videos. I'm actually going to leave it there now and stop waffling on. And until next time, I'll catch you with another one.